In the last lecture, we studied about data and data types. The types we saw were primitive data types. The data we use is not stored in the memory directly. We need some storage area to store them. These storage areas are called variables. Let's take the example of kitchen. The ingredients used in kitchen are stored in utensils. The size and type of these utensils depend on the ingredients we have to store. We will not keep 1 kg of sugar in a box of size 5 kgs. And if we want to make tea for one person, then we will not take a plastic utensil of capacity 5 liters. Hence, the variables are chosen on the basis of size and type. In Java, data types are broadly categorized in two parts: primitive data types and class types, also called as reference types. There are mainly 8 primitive data types. These are boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. The size of boolean depends on JVM. The size of char is 16 bits or 2 bytes. The size of byte is 1 byte or 8 bits. The size of short is 16 bits or 2 bytes. The size of int is 32 bits or 4 bytes. The size of long is 64 bits or 8 bytes. The size of float is 32 bits or 4 bytes. The size of double is 64 bits or 8 bytes. The types byte, short, int, and long are integer types, whereas float and double are floating point types. Keywords are the reserved words, and these are used for special purpose. These words are predefined, means which are already defined in the library of Java. There are mainly 50 keywords and 3 special constants. These words comes under reserved words. Reserved words are of two types: special constants and keywords. The 3 special constants are null, true, and false. And there are 50 keywords including modifiers, loops, data types, and other types. And remember, all the reserved words are written in lowercase.